So in this week we will start with the currency pairs. The first pair we will look at is the Euro USD. If you look at the price, after some correction between the area of 1.1 to 1.117, the price moved sharply below that level, and we were expecting a correction from 1.0920, but the price didn't show any sign of correction and moved straightly to 1.0830. In this situation, to continue further downside pressure, price has to make some correction. So in this week we're expecting the price to come towards 1.0920 for make some correction, and if we find any bullish rejection from that level after making the correction, we look forward to sell. In that case, our primary target would be 1.0830, the current price, this week's low price, and the second target would be the psychological 1.0800. The next currency pair is GBP USD. If we read the price action at GBP USD, we can see price made a false break after making certainly swing levels at this level and basically on above 1.30 area. But unfortunately we are predicting the price to touch 1.31 again, and we are expecting the price to move higher, but the price broke below with a massive speed and get a daily close at 1.30. Therefore, in this way, last week we were expecting the price to move downside with 1.28, but the price didn't show any correction at 1.30 after some signs that bears may come in the price, but the news came out and the BUSD got a massive bullish candle above 1.30. So in this week we are expecting the price will continue the recent momentum of having a daily close above 1.30, and therefore we're expecting the price to reach 1.3262 area again, and we will enter the trade after a certain correction towards 1.30, and we will monitor the trade, what the impact, what the price do if it reaches 1.31. Is it rejecting or is it breaking above with massive speed? That will be our intention in GBP. The next currency pair is NZD. As you can see, there are massive upside movement and which has been covered mostly in recent days. So the price is within a good range between 6.31 to 0.6328. So recent price action suggests that the price is more likely to move downside as the buy at this level has been recovered by the sell at this level. Therefore, it is likely the price will continue the sell momentum, and there is a higher possibility the price will touch the 0.63280 level again. So we will monitor it daily close. When it happens a daily close below 0.6431, and we wait for a certain correction and bullish rejection at this level like this one to continue the downside pressure with a 100 pips target. Next currency pair is AUD/USD. As you can see, the price is under a corrective momentum after a long bearish trend and a recent incident in Australia, in China mainly, may enforce the price to move downside to 0.6679 area again this week, and any daily close below this level will bring the price more down. And what about the buy at this level? If we see some strong rejection or a big exhaustion at this area, we will look forward to buy, and if it doesn't show any bullish setups, the overall outlook would be bearish. The next currency pair is USD CAD. As you know, we are in the selling trade from this level, from this high actually. And currently we are managing the trade as price broke below the 0.3265 area and currently at becoming very volatile. So we are expecting price to move higher a bit, at least 0.3280, to make some correction to move further downside. And the primary target of the price is 0.32, and if the price makes a correction and test the 0.3247 area again, the next target would be 0.3117. Here comes the USD JPY. As you can see, the USD JPY is hovering between the range of 108.50 to 110.28. Currently, the bullish pressure from this 1.0850 area is weakening at this level, and price is just below the resistance of 110.28. This is slightly interesting. The price is resting just below the resistance, not at the resistance. If it would happen at that level, we will be looking forward to sell, but currently we will expect the price to test at least 110 level to move higher, and if we see any bullish rejection above this zone, we will look forward to sell, and in that case our primary target would be 108.50. The next currency pair is Euro JPY. As you can see, Euro JPY broke the 119.80 level with massive speed, and this week we are expecting the price to come straight to 117.60, but it's to take an entry, it's not the perfect place, as it will have to be 160 risk to 120 reward. So we'll monitor the price on H1, even M15 on M30, and we will look forward to create a swing like this one or this one. If we find this type of setup, we will look forward to sell, but in that case, the intraday trade, there will be a minimum risk, and every case is 10 pips, 20 pips, even 30 pips, and reward would be greater. So for Euro JPY, the outlook is bearish, and it's perfect for take intraday setups, not the swing trade. Next currency pair is CAD JPY. As you can see, CAD JPY is under the big selling pressure. Market is under a correction at this level. So we are expecting the price to come 83.10 area again, and if price comes here and makes some bearish pressure or bullish rejection, we will look for it to sell, and our primary target would be 81.66 from 83.05 to 81.66 to 132 pips, and our risks would be just 28 pips. The next currency pair is Swiss franc JPY. As you can see, it's a bullish uptrend, and price is currently at event level 111.79, but how price approaches that level is very impulsive, and this impulsive momentum can break the support level, and if price has a daily close below that level and gets some certain correction with corrective speed, we look forward to sell, and there is a bigger possibility to 400 pips more down. The next pair is gold. As you can see, the gold is an long-term bullish uptrend, and price is regaining in this momentum for further bullish pressure at this level. And after some bearish pressure at we have watched in last few trading days, the price tried to break below the 1562 support area with a daily close, but suddenly price regained the momentum and get some support and retested 1562 and currently moving the higher. So in this situation, the primary target of gold is 1600, and we may see some bearish pressure as soon as price reach that level for some correction. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our website for more updates. Thank you.